Buyer showings on the Eastern Shore rose 17.2% this week and are up 20.8% from last year this time. It's Friday, May 2nd, 2025. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker-owner, reporting from the Eastern Shore office of Kinetic Realty. This is the weekly Maryland Eastern Shore report. Buyer activity on the shore is encouraging, with new contracts up 5.6% over last year. Days on the market overall are still relatively favorable at 29 days, and prices are up 0.6% year over year. Homes for sale rose again from last week's 200% to 2,038, a modest 2% climb this week. 159 homes are coming soon, a 15% increase week over week. 155 homes went under contract in 24 days. 146 homes settled at 97.9% list-to-sold ratio, with days on the market at 17 days. 98 homes are for lease, available at a median $2,100 per month, which is on par with the past weeks. That's your weekly wrap for this week's Maryland Eastern Shore report for Friday, May 2nd, 2025. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. Stay safe. I'll see you next week. Take care.